Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, I have some queries, ma'am, please.
Yeah, tell.
Ma'am, that's I missed the point that we have to upload the files on GitHub and the email. I am doing that. Can you please consider me for some time?
Sorry, I just missed out. Come again.
Ma'am, I missed the point that you told us to upload the files in the Gmail and the GitHub links. You told us to share the links and the files to the mail. So I
Right,
missed
right.
the point, ma'am. I'm doing that. Can you consider me for some time?
Yeah, that's okay. But first,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
need to give the presentation, then
Yes,
only you
ma'am.
need to
My
share.
yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. My PPT
Okay,
is done.
first, that's okay, but
Okay, ma'am.
presentation needs to be taken first before because there might be any of the feedback that is there. So you have to work accordingly. You need to understand the feedback, and based on that, if any updation is required in your code or anything that you need to do, and then you need to go ahead further.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
then only
ma'am.
you have to submit and all.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't have to submit that for now.
No, first you give the presentation, then you have to
Okay,
submit
ma'am.
it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, fine.
আমি একটা কথা বলি, হ্যালো। বলছি আমি ম্যামকে জিজ্ঞেস করলাম, ম্যাম বললেন যে
Ramakrishna, mute yourself.
সরি ম্যাম, সরি।
Yeah, Prakhar, good evening, Prakhar. Ramakrishna, if anyone of from the internship who has also joined, like who has also taken in, please do ask him to join as well.
ওকে ম্যাম,
Him
ওকে
or
ম্যাম,
her. Okay.
ওকে ম্যাম।
Okay, guys, we'll just wait for 5 minutes more. Let everyone join in, then we'll just start. Okay, everyone, then we'll just start off with today's presentation session. So, guys, hopefully everyone is ready with the presentation, right? Can you respond, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. So one by one, start presenting. Okay, so that we can start off. So who wants to start in? Anyone wants to start in? Fine, I'll just pick one up. Nirosha, you're here. Nirosha,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. So can you start presenting your project?
Yeah. Okay, but I want to share my screen or by oral.
Yeah, of course. Without sharing your screen, how you will be presenting? You need to share your screen, entire screen, and then start with the presentation.
Okay. For sharing screen, I want to share the data to my mail. Until that, can anyone other can guide?
I didn't get you.
I did in laptop, ma'am. ఇప్పుడు
Okay, you don't have the laptop, so how you have performed the task?
no, I did in laptop, ma'am. And in this Zoom meeting is on phone, so I want to share.
Okay, you need to reconnect from your laptop to this meeting,
Yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah. Yes,
Got it,
ma'am.
fine. Okay. So just connect over. Let me check anyone else who wants to present.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Yeah. Ramakrishna, are you ready with your presentation? Can you present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then you have to share your screen and start with the presentation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, your screen is visible.
Mm. Uh, okay, so ma'am, my project is about the okay. So ma'am, my project is about the plant growth experiment that under the section comes under the section science-based Excel data analytics projects. And
You need to be
in
a
my
bit
project,
louder. I can't hear you properly.
uh, am I audible now?
Not really.
Hello.
Your voice is coming too low.
Oh,
Yeah, now it's
okay, ma'am. Oh,
coming
ma'am.
better.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, coming better. Okay, so you are
Okay,
doing it
ma'am.
with PPT, right? So after the PPT, you
Yes, ma'am.
need to show me the Excel file where you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
done
Yes,
the
ma'am.
step.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead then. Go
Uh,
ahead.
ma'am, if you allow me to, I can share my Excel file directly.
Yeah, that's fine. Since you have already prepared the PPT, so just go
Okay.
ahead, give me the overview over the PPT, like what you
Okay,
have
okay, ma'am.
prepared, what
Okay,
is the
ma'am.
insight and stuff. Then just dive into the Excel part and like Excel sheet from where you have done the Excel workbook actually. And you need to
Yes, ma'am.
explain everything there as well. Right?
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay. So, ma'am, my project, I have choose the project that plan growth experiment that comes under the science-based Excel data analytic projects. And in my projects, the key description is about the component growth. Growth under growth rate under the many conditions. Uh, so, ma'am, I have displayed that my raw data that I've taken from the Kaggle. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, you are audible. Just go ahead.
Okay,
If there would be any
okay,
issue,
okay, ma'am.
I'll let you know. Right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. So this is my raw data that you can see that there are many unclean data here. So at first I need to clean this data to make it prepare for the next step, that is data preprocessing state. So
So in data cleaning state, uh, as you are as you find here that there are many features here. So at first I cleaned the portion that is date, that comes under the date portion. In date you can see there are many types of component here, like here is 2025, many types of, for many formats of are dates here. So at first I need to convert all of them in one format to make it more reasonable. So this is the step. uh, Ma'am, can I explain the steps?
Yes, you can explain it.
Okay, okay,
Somewhat
okay.
you explain it. Then when you'll be going down to the Excel, you can
Oh,
do that as well. Okay, you have to do that as well. Okay.
okay, okay, ma'am. So when I
Okay, just
go
a
to the,
moment. I got
yes,
it.
ma'am.
Just a moment.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you, this is the part of the pre-processing sections that you did, right?
Ma'am, this this comes under the data cleaning section. I have not come the data pre-processing yet.
Okay, cleaning part. So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I'll, since you have included them, so you just
Hmm.
go ahead with the Excel sheet first. Now, it is
Okay,
which slide of
okay, okay.
yours? It is which slide number of yours? Page
I'm at
number?
seventh.
Seven. Okay, okay, got it. So you go down to the Excel, your proper project where you have done. There you
Okay,
just
ma'am.
give like explain in details, and then later in the part you just move ahead to the PPT and just give the like some of the insight related to it.
Okay, ma'am. Just give me some time.
Sure, sure, sure.
So, ma'am, in Excel, this is my raw data.
Okay,
So
fine.
so here is the data cleaning section where I've cleared all the data here. So I will show you one by one. So at first, there is no issue with the plant ID section, but in plant type, you can see that there are many font mismatches. Like here is the all are in the caps, and here all in the lowercase, and this is comes under this should be come under the sentence case format. So
Your voice is not coming, Ram Krishna. Guys, can you hear him? Can you just confirm? Is he audible to you people?
No, ma'am.
hello.
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, Ramakrishna, there is an issue. I can't hear you.
Oh, ma'am. Oh, sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Start over again with this section. The plan type you are discussing on. You can start with that. What happened? Ramakrishna, there is an issue or something. I am not getting. You are
Ma'am,
presenting, right?
ma'am, my laptop, ma'am, my laptop got out of internet connection. So give me some time, please, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, it will be better for me if you allow anybody others to perform their PPT.
Okay, so how much time you would take?
Ma'am, just less than 5 minutes.
Okay, then okay, you take your time, but make sure. Okay, I'll just ask anyone else if they are going ahead. So by the time you fix the issue. Okay, so anyone else is ready with the project? Then we can go ahead. Prakhar, Soumyadeep.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry. Yes, are you ready with the project? Sorry.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Can you just present your screen? Okay, got it. So, this is the only thing, or you have prepared the PPT as well?
No, ma'am. I can't prepare PPT.
Okay, that's fine. Then just go ahead and explain each of the stuff side by side, starting from your raw data and the stuff. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
So, ma'am, my project is e-commerce sales trends dashboard, and this comes under e-commerce based Excel data analysis sheet. And this is the raw data which I get from the Kaggle. Uh, you see that different types of spelling errors or capital small errors and value errors and missing values also. And then I create a clean data sheet of it. So I explain one by one. In user ID column, this is perfectly fine. So I cannot change this. But in cust name, here a missing value occurred. So I remove this. So I remove this row, and you see in the state column, this is in small letter Uttar Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. This A is in capital letter. So I changed in clean data, and um, in gender column, you see uh, in gender column, you see these are in capital letters, and these in small letters. So I change in clean data. Next is amount section. These are dollars, INR, and this an A. So I changed this. So now this is my amount section. You see that these are all in INR, and in age group. Okay. Uh, this age group section is occurred in double in this raw data. So I removed this age group section in clean data. And next I create data preprocessing table, and I add month section regarding dates and age category regarding age, and I add revenue, discount section, and final price section. I calculate month using this formula is equal to text from dates and MMM. In age category, I using this formula using if, and in revenue, I use this formula, and in final price, I use this formula. So I get this data. Next, I prepared chart, sparkline chart, and you see the spark lines. You see the spark lines for different product category. These are the spark lines, and I make it from this line and column. Next, I prepared a chart revenue by gender, and you can see when I click female, the data is given to a female, and when I click male, the data is going to a male. And I can also add age group section. When I click 0 to 17, then this, and when I click 46 to 50, then I see this. And next, I will prepare revenue by zone. You can see this. Then I create top 10 products by revenue. And then I create category and final price. You can see. Next, I create. Okay, right. Next, I create average rating by product categories. And you see that average ratings of different product categories. And lastly, I created a dashboard. Here you can see when I click a central, then the data is given to a central text and age groups, and I clicked decor, then this shows me.
Okay, so are
Ma'am,
you
I
done?
created, ma'am, I create a Word file also. Can I share that?
Yes, 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 yes.
Ma'am, my insights are user ID and cast name, product ID, dates, month, gender, age group, marital status, state, zone, occupation, also product categories, unit price, amount, revenue, discount, final price, and payment mode, delivery status, device used, and rating. And also, I suggest a feedback of this company, and you see that customer demographics, regional performance, product strategy, customer satisfaction, and pricing revenue insights.
Okay. I am just giving you some of the feedback. You need to check for that and you need to change it over. Okay. First of all,
Okay, ma'am.
just share your screen. Share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
And the word file you share.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, you have got the insight. So here, what you have given like the user ID and the cast name, all of the features that you have taken it here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
For
Yes,
all
ma'am.
of the features, you have given the insight, right? So, like cast ID and the name, user ID and cast ID. So, this is actually what, like, these are the specific name. User ID means the a unique ID that is given to the user. Cast ID is the name of the customer, right? So,
Yes, ma'am.
here
Yes, ma'am.
we can't allow, here we don't have any proper insight on. So based on the, go ahead with the data, go ahead with the dashboard that you have prepared. Yeah. So this is your dashboard. So now see each of the chart properly. Revenue by gender, right? So here you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see the female like the buyers are more. So your one is e-commerce based, right? The what is
Yes, ma'am.
the e-commerce based platform data, right? So you can see that female customers are more. From the first data set, like the revenue by gender in this graph, you get the females are more and the males are less. So females are
Yes,
more. That means you can take a look that since female are more, so my insight would be, so for this, the female customers are buying more products. So
yes, ma'am.
this should be my insight. Again, going down to the revenue by zone. So I can see here the central has got a revenue or most revenue that is of 39%. Then next is the southern section, right? Okay, the
Yes, ma'am.
spelling is wrong. So, is it southern? Then the spelling wise it's wrong in your data set. You need to change that.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So what is it? Southernmost or what it is? Like
Ma'am,
is it
southern.
southeastern? Okay, okay,
Ma'am,
just a moment.
southeastern, ma'am.
Okay, that is a that is normal southern, right? Southern,
Yes, ma'am.
what we call.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
fine,
ma'am.
then it's okay. Okay, okay. Then you don't have to change anything. I thought it is southeastern. It's okay, fine. So it is southern. So first, like from this chart, the insight would be the central has the most like revenue that is around 39%. Then comes the southern, and then is the western. So major revenue we are generating from the central section. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next,
Yes, ma'am.
this is the another insight. Again, from the third, like the third graph that you have prepared, average rating by product category. So you have got the product, like the categories along with the average rating. So you can see here for this is not easily understandable. One, two, three, then four. That is, it is for the clothing brand you are getting the major
Yes,
number
ma'am.
of sales, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
that you need to take care. And based on that, since see one thing, if you are doing the dashboard, professional dashboard, so this this labels, the X label is mandatory, because this Y label is no more required, because you are giving the exact numbers over here in the line graph, right? So you can remove the Y part, and in the X part you can give us more space so that the labels can be easily seen, because I can see clothing and what that is not visible to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So just make this correction. So this is how you need to give the insights. Like cast ID and all, they are just the number, like just the numbers and the names. That doesn't count it to any of the insight. So that is not required. Okay, Soumyadip?
Okay, ma'am.
Hope I have
Mhm.
made myself clear. You understood?
Yes, ma'am. I understood,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Next, another thing, like if you are putting the slicers, just scroll it down in the dashboard file page itself. Yes. So if you are putting the slicer, put it in a single way, like in a single side only. So go up now, go up. So you have put three slicer. Actually, you have used four slicer. Now
Yes, ma'am.
here you have taken around one, two, three slider that sorry slicer you have taken in the left, and in between you have put another slicer. That doesn't look professional. So use the
Okay,
slicer on a single side so that it is easily understandable. Okay.
okay,
And
ma'am.
if you are using any of the background, like suppose you can also change the colors of the slicers based on the background that you are choosing in. Okay. And
Okay, ma'am.
next going ahead, uh, I just want to mention, like if you are choosing the dark background, choose it for everyone. And if you are using a semi-dark background, choose that background for everyone so that it looks aligned. So it is kind of now looking, some are dark, like for the charts I'm saying, some are dark, some are like a little like middle grayish background, right? So you got an
Yeah,
option
ma'am.
of choosing the background, so choose it in the same tone that it seems aligned.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
next, for each of the charts, you have put the sum revenue, this gender, and also this labels. Sometimes the labels is fine. Here, see in the first chart, revenue by gender, you have already given women, sorry, female, along with the number you have already given, right? So there is no
Yes, ma'am.
need of this like blue signifies female, green signifies male. This ligand we don't need, so you can remove that. Also, you have put it the X label also, that is not required. You have to do it there in the pivot chart, like that you have done so that it takes aligned. Also, the sum of the revenues, all the buttons up there in the charts that are of no requirement, right? You can remove that
Yeah.
so that it looks more tidy. Okay, this comes
Okay,
about
ma'am.
the dashboard section. Now go down to your data, first data that you have prepared, the raw data. Okay, so this is your raw data. So now go down to your clean data. Okay, so you did the pre-processing, done. Fine. Okay. Okay. Now data pre-processing section. Yes, I understood what you have done. That's okay. So age group is already been mentioned, 26 to 35. So in some of the sections I have seen, like maybe in the charts that you have prepared, just go down to the charts that you have prepared one by one, the pivot tables actually. Yes, go by gender, revenue by gender. Just push it to your left. Yes. Okay. So here you have used age group, right? 0 to
Yes,
17,
ma'am.
18 to 25. So you have already now go down to your pre-processed data. Yeah. Now you see after gender, there is age group, then age, then is age category. So you have already used like incorporated the age category. So giving age group, there is multiple age group out here. So it is very
Yes, ma'am.
difficult to understand on that part. So I guess you have
Yes.
created the age category based on the criteria. So just include, like, now go down to the revenue by gender. Yeah, here the age group is not required. You can include the age category, so it will refine the stuff more better. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And also in the pivot chart, there is no need of putting the slicers before, because pivot chart, we are taking the identity and the understanding about the chart, what it is doing. When we need to collab it down, then we can use the slicer in the dashboard, because there only we are connecting all of it together, and with the help of slicer, we are like understanding the stuff. Now move down to the second chart. Second chart, after revenue by gender, the second chart. Okay, revenue by zone. Here also there is no need of this buttons, and also this like this points, like blue synchronizes central, orange to eastern. That is not required, because you have already labeled them. You have used the call out, right? So that is not
Okay.
required. You can delete that. Ligands you can delete. Also this button sum of revenue, that you can remove. And also this part, this sections, this slicer, that is also not required. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now
Yes.
move down to the top 10 products. Okay. So top 10 products. See, here the numbers are too huge and it is not properly understandable. So you can change it to millions, or you can change it to hundreds or thousands, so that, or you can change it to K, right? K means thousand, right? So that it is
Okay.
easily
Yes, ma'am.
trackable. I have shown you how to change it to million. In the same way, you can change it to K value, that is the, like, what is called the thousand values. Okay, so this data
Okay, ma'am.
is like, it is too large, right? So in that form, you can change it over. Now go
Okay,
down
ma'am.
to category versus final price, and also top 10
Ma'am,
products by revenue. Top 10
ma'am,
products by revenue. Just a
ma'am,
minute.
this,
Top
okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
top 10 products by revenue. Okay, put it like that. Yes. Here, there is no need of putting for top 10 products, because that is not understandable. You did the conditional formatting over here. So here we can get up to top 5. That is way much. So you can take top 3 to top 5. That is more easier. Top 10 product, we don't need any segregation. And that is also cluttering. We are unable to understand this stuff clearly. So take it to top 5 to or top 3. Okay. Next
Okay, ma'am.
category versus final price. Category versus final price. Okay. So what is it actually? I didn't get you. This is category wise. What is the price of that product? Or what is the revenue that has been generated? It is like that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Revenue.
Okay, it looks fine. Okay, no need to change anything over here. Next, go down to the next chart. Average rating by product. Okay, average rating. Okay. Uh, okay, that looks good. But here, don't need this Y labels. Just remove that because you have given the exact data in. Or if possible, like, yeah, the exact data is on, so you don't have need the Y labels. You can remove that, and also remove the buttons. And see, in some of the chart, you in the above you have used, like, in the, like, just average rating by product category. Click on there in your chart. Yes, this is the title, right? So this,
Yes,
in
ma'am.
some of the chart you have used red, some into white. No, don't use like that. choose a
Okay.
particular color, a particular background, and based on that use it, so that everything looks aligned, that then only then it would look professional, right? So these are
Yes, ma'am.
the feedback from my end, and accordingly you need to update that, and then only you have to submit it.
Okay, ma'am. One query, ma'am. Uh, Ma'am,
Yes.
this spark line.
Yes. So, what is the
Ma'am,
query? You have got the spark lines, but you can't include it in the chart, right? Because the data is too huge, and from
yes,
going
ma'am.
down from January to December, so we don't need this. So you need to understand the data, like the data set accordingly. And if
Yes.
any other chart you can include, you want to include or can include, that would put more of the effect over it. So you can include that chart. Else, there is no need of this spark line as of now. For the dashboard creation, at least we don't need any, like the spark lines is not required, but you have created, keep it, but just don't add it in the dashboard section. Whatever you have created, that looks fine as of now, but do some of the, so like what feedback I have given, just follow it accordingly. It would look more professional.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
okay, okay, Somadeep. And I have dropped a Google Form link in the chat. You need to fill up those. Okay, so only
Okay,
this
ma'am.
is only for those who are presenting today in the session. Okay, so only for those.
Okay, ma'am.
Others who are not presenting, they won't fill that up. Who have already done. So, Somadeep, you just go ahead and fill that up.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Somadeep. So, next, Ramakrishna, are you done with the thing? Like, is
Yes,
it
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
so? Can you present?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Prakhar, are you here? Will you be able to present next? Prakhar, I am unable to hear you. Just wait, Ramakrishna, just a moment. Yeah, Prakhar.
Okay.
Hello, Prakhar, am I audible? Can you? Oh, okay. So can you just present after him, after Ramakrishna? Can you present? Okay, fine. I am unable to understand what you are telling. Just drop down in the chat so that I can understand. Okay. Just wait, Ramakrishna. Advait, you are here?
Yes, hello. Am I audible?
Yeah. Yes, Advait, you are audible. So will you be able to present after Ramakrishna?
Yeah, sure.
Fine. So keep your things and stuff ready. So after him, you'll be presenting. Just cross check with your network also if it is working good or not.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Yeah, Ramakrishna, you can start.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Thank you. So, ma'am, I've told you that this is my raw data. In my data, there is many errors. Like here is a the major issue with the error is the major problem in the raw data is the font style. Font style means some data are in the all are in caps or some all are in lowercase. So I need to fix this all, and in the data cleaning portion, I have done that, and I can show you that here you can see that the data are properly in the sentence case format. There's the first letter is the capital and others the smaller. So this is the data cleaning section. I have done all with that, and luckily in my this data set I don't have any missing data. So if I got any missing data, then here is the option that called remove duplicates. I need to select all the table, the whole table. Then I click it in the remove the duplicates. Then all the duplicates are been removed. Then I copied that whole data cleaning whole table from the data cleaning sheet and pasted it in the data preprocessing. Then I have made some extra columns to make my observation more clear. Uh, Here you can say I have added some columns like age and the temperature level and humidity level and nutrient level. So the significance of the age level is that here you can see that the day section is haphazardly done, but I need to, when I plotted the data get more scattered, like the data, the plot is more heavily undistinguished. So I use that formula that you have told us in the if statement. I've done that, and sorry. So with that formula, I have converted the age section with portions like under 7 days, that will be 1 week, to 9 week and more. After that, I used that formula to calculate the temperature level section, that very low to very high, and the humidity level. I have used the same formula, like here also the same term, this is very low to very high. And the nutrients, there are some additional keywords like below optimal nutrient rich, means uh, I have created these extra columns to make my presentation, my description more clear. So here are my pivot tables. Oh, okay. If we need to create the pivot table section, so at first I need to select the whole table by Control Shift and lowercase. Right arrow, then the lower arrow, then in insert section I have pivot charts. When I clicked on it, there is an option. Then when I click on OK in the side sheet, the pivot chart came in. And here is the pivot chart fields. From here, I have taken some data to make my chart clear. Okay, so my first observation is about the growth rate in plant type. So I have taken age and plant type in the axis section, like the categories, and in values, I have taken the height in average height. So the next one is as per the condition. Sorry. So next one is as per the condition for the growth rate as per the condition, and after that I've created the soil type, and the next one is for the temperature level, and next one is for the humidity level, and the next one is for the nutrient level. At the last, I've created the dashboard by combining six mind pivots at once, and here you can see I connected all those. So let me show you some insights. So in plant type growth rate over plant type section, I observed that in you can see that in this chart, here are the main points I've observed from this chart, that corns and tomato is more profitable. Sorry. So corns or tomato are more profitable, and the sunflower is not that much profitable for us. From the chart, we can see that. So here's the recommendation to focus on the corns and tomato cultivation. Uh, for the growth, for the condition section, I also have created this observation and this recommendation sections, because from this we can see that when the fertilizer and the full sunlight is there, we get the optimal results. And also for the soil type system, we can see some massive data here. We can see this type of observation, and my recommendations are there. So in temperature level, there is something different. Like in this temperature level, there is no fixed observation for that, because as you can see, sometimes the lower gives the peak value and the medium temperature gives the lower value, but that's not for all time. That could be for the uh, some anomalies in my data. So we have to recheck the data set at first. After that, here is the humidity level section. So ma'am, that's all of my project.
Okay, got it. Just a moment, please. Okay. So, first of all, why you have included the same kind of charts? You can include different kind of charts, right?
Ma'am, in my project, there is mentioned that I have to means the line and the average. So I used only the line. I thought that I need to use only the lines. So I have used that.
Okay, just a moment. Let me check.
Oh,
Just a
ma'am,
moment.
my project is the ninth.
Okay, fine. Just a moment. Let me have a check.
Okay, okay.
Ninth one, right?
Yes, ma'am. Plant growth analysis.
Okay. So it is key Excel skills, so that has been mentioned, but key Excel skill that has been mentioned, but that included to include any of the line graphs or averages, just as a, like, it has been given, but it what it said for the description of what compare growth rate under different condition. For that, they are
Yes, ma'am.
asking to use line graphs and the averages. But here in your data, you have got different kinds of field, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
one dashboard can't include only the line charts.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so you need to include like the growth rate over the conditions that has been mentioned.
Yes, ma'am.
That's okay, but you need to include other charts and formats also, because just by looking at the lines and the average, like just the lines, can't make things look better, right? Just by putting
Yes,
lines,
ma'am.
I can't understand the stuff. So you need to include
Mhm.
more of the different kinds of like maybe pie chart, maybe a bar chart, whatever required. Based on that, you need to include. And you
Yes, ma'am.
have got from first week going down to eighth week. Just show down the data first. Okay, so this is your data. It contains plant ID, plant type, condition, water level, soil type, day. Along with that, it has height comparison, temperature, humidity. Then what is this level? Just increase
And
it. Yes.
nutrient level.
Nutrient level. Okay, fine, got it. Now go down to your pre-processed data. Okay, fine. So you have included the age, like day wise, the age of the plants, right? So okay,
Yes, ma'am.
that's good. Next is a temperature level. You have changed to the categories like very high, medium, very low, low.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, got it. And humidity level also, and the nutrient level also. Fine. Now go
Yes,
down
ma'am.
to age and height, age versus height. Okay, so age versus height. So you are including the age also, the plant type also, and everything you are including. So it is becoming more cluttered up here. So things are not understandable, and more of you are not using the pivot, like you are using the pivot table, or directly you are putting to the pivot chart section, like how you are going. So this is becoming really cluttered. Like for week one, then there is no need of putting the week wise, because here you are using the growth rate versus plant type. Then the plant type should be there along with the growth rate. Age wise, uh, like segregation we don't need as of now here. Okay, and you
Okay.
can
Ma'am, I thought
include
that
it. Yeah, and you can include it up, like here are many many plants, right? Like many
Yes,
name
ma'am.
of the plants up here. And when you are
Yes, ma'am.
putting it in week format, so see, you are getting this wheat point for each of the week also. So you can
Yes,
see
ma'am.
for the first week, you have to plot it for wheat. Again, for the second week, you have to plot it for wheat. For third week, again wheat, tomato, sunflower, the same five uh plant, I guess. Same five
Yes, ma'am.
plant type, but you are putting it, when you are dividing it into 9 weeks, the things are plotting it for 9 times. The same five data are plotting it for 9 times. So it would
Yes,
be
ma'am.
like, it is not easy to understand in that format. So it's better if you create two different chart. First is about the plant type with the growth rate, if there is any average height or stuff that has been included. Based on that, you can change it on. Also another chart that will include the age with the plant type, like how much age of each of the plant type is, or how we are segregating. Like, since I haven't taken a proper overview, I can't recall the like the what are the features are there in your data set, like the column names. So based on that, like based on just a glance that I have looked in, I am just giving you the insight. So based on that, you need to change it over, and you can include any of
Okay,
the
ma'am.
charts as of now. Fine. So
Okay,
these
ma'am.
things
Okay, ma'am.
need to be changed. So
Ma'am.
for each of the pivot charts that you have taken in,
Mm, yes, ma'am.
okay, in the axis you have got like filters, ligands, pivot chart field, but it actually comes rows, columns in this way. Okay, just go down to the data pre-processing, select the data pre-processing section, select the table, whole table you have selected. No, not
Yes,
pivot
ma'am.
chart, not pivot chart. Go
Oh,
to pivot table. In the left, extreme left, you get pivot table.
oh, okay, okay,
Yes.
okay.
From the table range, yes, click on that. Okay, click on OK. Now here you get fields, column, rows, and values. So it has been divided into rows and
Okay,
column.
okay, ma'am.
Now just drag down, just go up. Plant type, just take it down to row. Plant type, take it down to row. Then just go down to the age, or the age part, take it down to values. This has been created now. See the count of the age. Okay, it is the count of the age. Okay, so just remove the age. Just check it here. Just right click up here. Uh, count of age there. Count of age, or uncheck that. Yeah, that would also work. Okay, so maybe any of the things, soil type or anything, you can put it up here. Soil type, you can put it. Soil type. Soil type. Soil type. Okay, so it is now taking the counts of the soil type. Okay, what exactly is your data? Just show me the pre-processed data. Just once,
Yes,
pre-processed
ma'am.
data. Okay, soil type is sandy and stuff. Okay, got it. So there I need a numerical column up there. Okay, so the plant type, we can take it with any of the nutritional values that we are taking off. So either we can take the height in centimeter, that we will be
Okay,
taking.
ma'am.
Okay, just go down. Height in centimeter, take it. Yes. So we have got the sum of it, but I'll take the average. Just click over there, right click, yes. Value field setting, yes. There, put it average. Yes. Now, based on each of the like each of the like table, like the plant type, you are getting the average height of that very plant. Okay. Now click,
Okay, ma'am.
just right click on the age height, this section, like any of the number 80. There you just click it down there. Now go to, yes, now just click in this number group. Go down to number group. Not there. Like in the ribbon section.
Ma'am.
Ribbons. Like, okay, the front tab, you can see front tab, upper,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
up,
Yes, ma'am.
uh,
Yes, ma'am.
like there, clipboard, front, alignment, then number.
Yes,
Number
ma'am.
section you can't see. Just go down, just
Uh,
go to your right, go down to your right.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Go down to your right, Are. Number, where general is written. Where general is written in your ribbon.
Oh,
Where general
sorry,
is
ma'am.
written.
Yeah, yeah, yes, ma'am. Sorry, sorry,
Yes.
sorry, ma'am. Sorry,
Ju-
sorry, sorry.
just down that you got 0.00. Click on that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, click it on. Not that, the outer one, like the other one.
Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am.
Click, click, click more, click. Like it
Oh,
is
okay, okay.
decreasing the numbers
Oh,
of.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Just keep it like that. Format it for all of it so that it is easier for understanding. Because if we are having like this long decimal points, we are unable to take it, right? So you need to check it for
Okay, ma'am.
all. And once that is done, now just change it. Yes, okay, fine. Now go down to like in the upper section, you get pivot chart. Click on the chart, pivot table, analyze. Like yeah, right. Yeah. Now go to pivot chart. Now go to pivot chart in your right. Yes. Click. Yeah. Take down a cluster column. Okay. Put okay. Not area. The one that is there, that's okay. Click on okay. So you have got this. So based on the based on the like type of the plant, you are getting the what is the average height of each of that. So that is a insightful thing that needs to be taken care here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so accordingly
Okay, ma'am.
perform for all of the charts.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is how you need
I
to
will do it.
prepare charts. At first
Okay,
the
ma'am.
pivot table, then the pivot chart.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is how you need to prepare and need to redo this task.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine, but you just fill up the Google form that I have shared.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, you can stop sharing.
Oh, ma'am, I just have a query.
Yes.
Ma'am, as my data don't have the direct column like the growth rate, that's why I use the age and the height for the calculating the growth. Then I added the condition.
I didn't get you.
As ma'am, as my data set don't have any direct column named growth rate, so that's why I use the height and the age for calculating the growth rate.
Okay, that's fine. If that is like, if you are calculating in that form, it's fine. It's not an issue. Like at the end, I need to get the proper result up. It's your
Okay,
duty
okay,
how what you are creating, how you are creating, but the way you have created and the way you have prepared the dashboard, that is not the exact way of creating. So I have shown you how to
okay,
create it. So in the similar way, create 5 to 6 charts, probable charts that
okay,
might fit into the data in the dashboard, and accordingly use the slicer and work it out.
okay.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
don't share this project. Do the upgradation, whatever feedback I have given, do the upgradation, then only share it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Stop sharing your screen. Advait, you are here.
Yeah,
Can you present?
sure.
Okay. Who next wants to present? Prakhar, are you here? Like I am not getting your voice. Yes, Prakhar, tell. Advait, just
Yes,
wait.
ma'am.
You can present. Yeah. So you are done with your project, Prakhar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after Advait, if we have the time, then you present it today. If not, present it tomorrow. Okay. So again, tomorrow we have the presentation session. So tomorrow you have to present. So come prepared and also check your networks. So I guess in today's session, I have whoever have prepared projects like that, I have made given some of the feedback. So guys who is going to present tomorrow, just check on this so that this mistakes are not repeated for your case. Okay. Okay, Advait, you can start off.
Okay. So I had this sales data, and what instead of what I did, I kept it business ready. So instead of raw data and all, which you would see I don't have, because I just kept this, like, I changed the data and I made this business ready. So I can literally show this to a stakeholder, and I can show them everything. So for example, for now, the this is my clean data. Now I'll tell you what was the problem with my old data. So as you can see, more than 1 million, 250K, this was all in the numbers. So what I did, I segregated them into the groups. It was similar thing with client employee sizing. Then when it comes to complete intel, this was
Advait,
also,
where is your raw data? Where is your raw
ma'am,
data?
actually, I did not keep it. I just started working on that. Uh,
This is not the way, right, Advait? I have
mhm.
clearly mentioned you need to have your raw data because without comparing, how we will be understanding? Like from here, you
Okay.
have taken it to here.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I got. No, ma'am, I kept it business ready because I thought that, if if it will be professional. Uh,
No,
uh,
of course not,
mhm,
because we need to check it from from the raw data that we have received. Like even in this industries also,
mhm.
we can't just let go of the raw data because that from there only we are keeping it to the next level. We are cleaning it, making it the pre-processing section, and then we are doing each of the steps. Right, so
Okay,
you need to have the raw data in, then only we
okay.
can go ahead and check for other things that we have done.
Mhm,
So only then we can just compare over and see what updation we have made and to what
mhm.
extent we have made this. And that is also needed because anyhow, if any important data we have missed in, then we can definitely refer to the raw data. So that is the another reason we keep the raw data.
Okay, got it. And other, okay, ma'am. Then I'll not like. Then what should I do? Should I present or should I like
Yeah, yeah,
leave it?
present it, but when you'll be going ahead with the submission and stuff, add your raw data positively.
Yeah, sure. Okay, I'll do that. So yeah, so all the number, everything was into number. I made it into the group, and what I also did that, instead of keeping the formulas, I just copy pasted that. If I, for example, if I give this to any business or any of my clients, they should not know that what exactly changes I made. But as this is a data, like this is an internship, so I'm telling you, it was all in the numbers, and I segregated them into groups, and I used pivot table to make my visuals, and after that I deleted the pivot table. So to keep it clean, this is my charts, and this is basically a sales data of a software company, who are basically selling three types of technologies. Uh, Sorry, four
Okay,
types:
Advait, just
analytics,
wait.
ERP. Yeah.
Wait, I
Mhm.
got it. Wait, Advait.
Yeah, yeah.
First of all, why you have just remove the formulas then, because this is not the you are not working in any of the, you are not performing for any of your client. This is your internship,
Mhm.
so every step should be there. So this is the first point. Next, also the pivot table, why you have deleted it? Like it's not like keeping it clean, that doesn't makes a sense up here. Going
Mhm.
down, we also need to check for the pivot tables.
Okay. No, I just
So you
kept
need
the,
to keep
I just kept
everything.
the Excel business ready. For example, if I give this to client, he should,
I
the
understand,
basic thing.
but
Yeah, yeah. Mhm.
I got it. But this is not like that because this is like here you are doing an internship. So you are
Mhm.
sharing the data with us. We are giving
Okay.
you the projects. So each of the step need to be implemented. Okay, so it's not like you will be just putting the values up here. What formula you have included, that should also be there.
Okay, 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 got it.
Okay,
So I'll do
because
one thing
that
while
thing you need to,
submitting. I'll also add four pivot table, or should I add all the pivot table? Because
all the
uh
pivot tables.
okay, okay, okay. Because I made eight, 10 charts, right? So I made 10
Yes.
different pivot table of same data,
Yes,
and
you
I
just, yes.
yeah,
Yes,
okay,
because
okay.
here we are only getting the why we are keeping the pivot table charts, and we are
Mhm.
doing it in different sheet because it is easier to analyze also, and also there here from the chart we are not getting the table, right? The tabular format
Mhm.
we are not getting. But when we are going down revisiting to the each of the chart, there we
Mhm.
are getting the pivot table data. So it is easier to compare also, right?
Oh, okay, got
That
it.
is the main thing. Yeah,
Sure,
you
sure.
can just go ahead and explain the dashboard, but all of this needs to be recollected here. Then only you will be submitting, else not.
Yeah, 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 sure, sure.
Okay,
So
go ahead
for
for the dashboard section.
yeah, so my first chart is about count of opportunities versus type of technologies we have. So the maximum opportunities we saw was in ERP implementation. Second was in technical business solution, and after that, modernizing the legacy software and analytics. So analytics is in very less numbers, almost negligible. Also, we saw that we had converted 12,000 out of ERP implementation and 6,000 out of technical business solution implementation. My second chart was a pie chart, count of opportunity status by technology prime. So yeah, basically same thing. So maximum was taken by ERP implementation and second was taken by technical business solution. You can see legacy and analytics is almost like very less. After that, count of opportunities by technology primary and basically success rate. So ERP had a success rate of 23%. Technical business solution had a success rate of 21%. So almost one in five project got converted. In analytics, we have one in four projects. So analytics has a higher conversion rate. However, the analytics has very less number, as you can see here. Next is a pie chart city-wise, so opportunity we got throughout the city. Our data is 78,000, and out of 78,000, 21,000 of our opportunities came from Mumbai, and second was Delhi. We got 15.140 opportunities from Delhi, and then comes Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, and so on. My fifth chart is of count of opportunities by city and opportunity status. So in Mumbai, we converted 5,000 people, 5,000 opportunities. In Delhi, we converted 3,000 opportunities. In Bangalore, 2,000 and Hyderabad, 2,000 each. And yeah, also in Pune, Chennai, and Calcutta, we converted 2,000 each. My sixth chart is count of technology primary by city and uh, I mean technology, city-wise technology. So as you can see in the chart number 3, it is similar to there that our most of the opportunities were into ERP implementation. Uh, in Chennai, you can see the ERP implementation was the maximum, which was 70%. While in Hyderabad it was the least. Oh no, sorry, in Calcutta it was the least, which was around 60%. Rest was technical business solution and the legacy and analytics took percent also. In Mumbai, it was 2%, about 2%. My seventh, sorry, one, two, three, four, five, six, seventh year. Seventh chart is count of opportunity status by city and B2B sales medium. So this is just basically the type of medium we use to do the sales. So our maximum sales was through marketing and entrepreneur sellers, sellers. Online leads, partners, and telesales they were there, but they were very less, and they were maximum working on like Delhi only. For Mumbai, our majority sales was through enterprise seller and marketing. And for other cities also, we can see that maximum sales were through these two only. My eighth chart is count of opportunity by B2B sales medium. So out of all this, I made it into pie, and you can see that it's around equal number of sales done by marketing and like enterprise sellers, but marketing has a bit of edge. So marketing has did 37.26K, while enterprise seller did 34.76K, while partners and telesales they did around 3,000. Count of opportunity by B2B sales medium and opportunity status. So in marketing, like for this, so in marketing we had 30,000 opportunities. Out of that we converted 7,000. In enterprise seller we only had 25,000 opportunities, but we converted 10K. So which was around 40%. So the enterprise seller has a like more conversion rate than what we say in marketing or others. In partners, we had 2K and the conversion rate is less than 1K. It is same for telesales and same for leads. In leads, we had like 1,000 opportunities, like 2,000 opportunities, and less than that got converted. Uh, Counts of opportunity status by sales velocity. What do you mean by sales velocity? The sales velocity is the meetings we do. So I think 2000, like 200, like there was one opportunity in which there were 200 meetings, and after that it got we did not able to convert. So maximum conversion rate was around this, and which was around which was around, let's say, 20. It was around 20. So in 20 meeting we converted 5,000 people, and under 50 you can say we had converted maximum. And like under around 80 we converted around 99% of people got, like 99% of opportunities got converted under 80 sales, 80 meetings. And after that are just what we say, like outliers. Yeah, that's it, man.
Okay, got it. First of all, you need to increase the size of the chart so that it can be easily understandable, because some of the written part is really very small. I am unable to see it. So you need to increase the size of the charts and put it in a single frame. Like you need to match the frame also. Okay, that is the
Okay.
first thing.
Mhm.
Next, you need, where is your slicer? Like that you'll be connecting off, and that will make your dashboard interactive. You haven't include the slicer. So you
Okay.
need to include the slicer. Second thing.
Mhm.
Third, you can see about the count of opportunity status by city. There you have also included the number, also the
Mhm.
percentage.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Mhm.
that's in some of the charts that's good, but for all
Mhm.
we are not required. Okay, either put the percentage, because count of opportunity status by city, their numbers are not required. If we are giving the
Mhm.
percentage, that is well easy for us to understand that this much percentage like is the opportunity count of the opportunity
Mhm.
based on the based on the cities that we are having.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Or if needed, you can also use the call out option. If you click on the chart for the count of opportunity status by city, just click it on over the chart.
Ma'am, this is just the picture because due to pivot table, na, there was some problem
Okay,
because
yes,
yeah.
yes.
So
Your pivot table is
mhm.
not here. I forgot that. So
Yeah,
it
yeah.
won't take into action. Yes. So
Yeah,
that is the another reason you need the tables, because without that your slicers will not work and you can't make it interactive.
yeah.
So you the work is to create the interactive interactive
Mm-hmm.
dashboard actually.
Okay,
So
okay.
accordingly include each of the stuff, add slicers so that it becomes interactive.
Got it.
So then only you just go ahead and submit your project.
Mm. But ma'am, I wanted to ask that I mean each of the chart has everything, right? So for example for chart number 3 I added a slicer, right? So it will just show off one
What
bar. So
slicer you have added?
like if for example, if I add a slicer, let's just say technology wise, right? We have four
Okay.
technology.
Yes.
So it
Yes.
will show like one bar. So at the end, it is going to be same thing, right? Instead of showing four, it is just going to show one bar. So that's the
I
reason.
got
And
it.
each chart I made, that you don't have to make it that interactive, because you have all the information. So I made it more of a client based solution than more of a interact based, because client should not get
Client-based
Mhm.
solution, I understand, but see, client-based solution means what you are saying. Like then, in that case, client-based solution, client had to totally look into it and understand what is the status. Then only he'll be
Mhm.
able to understand. Now here, suppose you are getting with the technology part, but
Mhm.
the same technology is also affecting the like maybe the sales, or like I don't recall the exact data that you are having, but it is of course related to technology wise sales, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so if we are putting the slicer, then for this chart, that is count of opportunity ID by technology, that will have only single bar, but it will be changing. This other bars will be changing. Suppose for this count of opportunity status in city, if it is been
Mhm.
inclined based on the technology, it will get changed. So I'll be getting to understand, or any of the sales based chart if you are having, that data will get changed. So I can understand that based on this based on this technology, where my sales is going. So only suppose what is ERP based. Okay, so ERP
Mhm.
implementation. So if we are having this technology in, for this technology, how my sales is converting, how much it is coming for the B2B, or how, in which city it is being affected, like that. Hope you
Mandan, you have
understood.
chat. You have this chat, right? If you want this into, you have like ERP implementation is 64% in Mumbai, and if you want to see the sales, then you have this pie.
Then the understanding is right, how to make you understand. Slicers are important to, so that like suppose go down to your data, go down to your data first. Okay, you have opportunity that is of no use, but you have technology, you have city, you have B2B sales. Now go down to your visuals. Okay, so now you have, suppose this technology, along with that, which city is implemented in which technology mode, right? So
Mhm.
now suppose we are changing, like, see, if you are not using slicer, then I had to find another chart. Like if I am taking taking into count this count of opportunity ID by technology, this chart I am looking into. So to support it, any of the stuff, I need this count of technology by city and count of opportunity status by city. Out
Oh,
without
yeah, yeah.
looking into it, I won't be able to understand why it is going like this and how it is going like this. So
Okay,
I
you
need
want
the
to make it
support
easy.
of. Yes, of course. That is the task actually. Because I need, by a single click, I need to understand everything. You are telling that you have prepared more of a client base, but client won't be able to understand, because the client, like maybe the stakeholders, they don't have the knowledge of the data only. They will
Mhm.
just see the chart and will figure out that this are the stuff. Like suppose if I am saying like ERP based implementation is it is 77%, right? I am unable to see since this part is really small. The number I am not able to see. ERP implementation, it is 77. Okay,
Which one, ma'am?
7. The third slide I am telling. Let's
Yeah,
third
yeah, yeah,
chart I am saying
yeah, yeah. It's
77.
77%.
And
No, no,
more of,
it's
since it
it's
is,
actually 70, like we out of 100%,
I got
77% was not able to
it.
convert.
That's what I am saying.
Mhm.
77%, and division. The data I am unable to see because it's too hazy actually.
Mhm.
Okay. So it's, since it is 77%, so based on that, I need the other two chart to also see like how it is coming, and how it is converting on. So it would be better to add the slicer so that by just by clicking on any of the maybe any of the implementation part, we can see ERP implementation, any of the technology. I can see how much for that very technology, how what is the count of the opportunities I go city wise, then what is the like the count of opportunity, like count of technology, primary by city or the type, like whatever be it, we can able to
Mhm.
easily able to understand. So it is not like it is making it making the user understand, or the like the analytic person who is seeing over it, only the analytic person would be able to figure it out. Else for the stakeholders, most of the stakeholder or the like the client, they don't have the idea of the data, only they are done giving the data, and they want this dashboard for their understanding only, like how to create it, like what we have created, I can just get the insight just by one click. So this is it. And did you prepare the word file?
No, ma'am.
So that you also need to prepare.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Without that, don't submit. But
Ma'am, do we have to like prepare Word or a PPT? Word.
no, no, word you have to prepare. PPT is for the presentation. So you have to prepare the word for the insight and the
Mhm.
final feedback and the recommendation for the client that you
Okay,
need to check it. Okay.
got it. Yes.
So, okay. So you can stop sharing. Do the needful that I have already mentioned, do the needful before submission. Okay. So Advait, Ramkrishna and Somadeep, three of your presentation has been done. So, but you, three of you need to change some of the part. I have given you the feedback. So accordingly work, and then only after it is done, then only share the project. Okay. Next in the chat, I have given the Google form. You three, Ramkrishna, Soumyadeep, and Advait. You three just go ahead and fill the form in. Okay. And whoever is left with today's presentation, not completed with today's presentation, tomorrow you people will be having your presentation. Okay, so make sure to join in accordingly tomorrow, and like whatever the feedback I have given to others, hope you have listened, and based on that, create your project like that, so that you don't have to rework on it, and I don't have to give the similar feedback to each one of you every time. Okay, so do the needful that is required to prepare your project accordingly. Yeah, Prakhar, tell.
Ma'am, can I present today? Like it will take around just 5 minutes.
First of all, it won't take 5 minutes. And next, I have another session down from 6:30, so I don't have time.
Ma'am, can
Okay,
you
but
reshare the link?
I have shared it. Just a moment. I'm doing it. Okay, like, so I can't reshare it. There is an issue here. I can't reshare it. You have to just take a look from the like I have already shared. If not, if anyone can access the chat, do share it once. Okay. Uh, so whoever is left, just go ahead. Tomorrow I will be sharing. Like you have to give the presentation. Advait, there is an issue. I can't access the chat. That's why I can't reshare
Yeah.
this.
No, no, I got it. I got it. Ramkrishna too.
Okay, fine. So accordingly, you people just go ahead and take it forward, fine? So whatever the given feedback, just work on it and then submit your project. Okay, and just a reminder. So in the project, in the mail that you are going to share in mini underscore project, in that mail ID, you have to share your project. Along with that, the thing is you will be uploading your project in the GitHub. So the GitHub link should be there along with the Excel file that contains your raw data, like the other have done, like raw data, data clean process, data pre-process structure, all of the pivot tables, then the dashboard, along with the slicers. So all that Excel sheet you need to share in the mail along with the Word file. There you are including all of the details, like the whatever insights you have received, along with that whatever the feedback that you will be giving, whatever be your recommendation or feedback, that Word file you have to attach along with the Excel file. Okay, and also the GitHub repository link you need to put in. Okay,
Ma'am,
hope I have
Ma'am,
made. Yes, yes, yes,
ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, I have already shared my project in this link. Can I reshare the
Okay.
correction after that?
No, you don't have to reshare it. Whatever, like, have you done the correction accordingly? Have you did the, like, whatever feedback I have given, you have worked on it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's okay. You don't have to reshare it, because then after the evaluation team will take care of it. You don't have to reshare to me. That's okay. As of now, you will
Okay.
be sharing whatever the files I am sharing, share it accordingly. The Excel file should be there, the Word file should be there in the mail. Okay. Along with that, not only this Google form link, here you have to submit it. That's a separate thing. But in the mail also you need to submit it. So it's not like you have submitted in a Google form, the your work is done. No, you have to submit it in the mail as well. Add the GitHub link, the Excel file you need to attach along with the Word file where you have put the insight along with the insight along with your recommendation that you need to put in. Okay. So hope I have made myself clear. Work accordingly. We'll just wrap up our session today. I need to rush for another session. Tomorrow we will meet and accordingly we'll go ahead. Okay. Okay. Bye guys. Bye.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, yeah, the link you shared in the chat section, the Google form, I need to share the corrected form, the corrected Excel file, or the my
No, the one
recently
that you
uncorrected
have
form.
prepared, the one that you have presented, that you can share, not an issue with the
Okay, okay,
with
ma'am.
this form, but in the final project that you will be submitting in the mail, there you need to give the corrected
Yes, ma'am.
version of it.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
fine. Yeah. Bye. Just fill it up now.
Okay, ma'am. I was doing it.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Bye. Yeah.